Hi. Today, we will see how to show a toast message in a React Native Android app. Let's understand the code. First, these are our imports. We are importing the Pressable, StyleSheet, text, view, and ToastAndroid components from the React Native module. The app function is the starting point of our app. This is a show toast function that will be called from a button click event. This is how we create and show a toast. We use the ToastAndroid.show function. Here we pass the message to be shown in the toast and the toast duration. There are two options for the duration, long and short. Or you can simply type a duration in numbers. Now let's see the UI. In the view tag, we have a Pressable tag to create a button. We could have used the button tag as well. When the button is pressed, the show toast function gets called. And we use the text tag to show some text on the button. We have used various CSS styles in our UI. Let's see the styles now. Here we configure various styles for our UI. This is the container style that we have applied to the view tag, and it gets applied to the entire page. This is the button style that we have applied to the Pressable tag. Here we configure the style of our button. This is the text style that we have applied to the text tag. Here we configure the style of the text on the button. Now, let's run the app. As you can see, we have a green click button at the center of the screen. When I click this button, a toast gets shown. So that's it. Thanks for watching.